कुयेली कासावले चलयेचे खुनाचे केसींत वेर्णेचे पुलिसांनी आशिष अधिकारी हे कोलकाताच्या तरणाट्याक अटक केल्या। ताची पिराय 28। तो कासावले रावपी। पुलिसांनी ताका 7 दिसांची कस्टडी घेतल्या। विजयलक्ष्मी चव्हाणाची कूड कुयेले कासावले मळार मेळिल्ली। तिचे खुनाचो आरोप ताचेर आसा। अधिकारीन गुन्यांव मान्य केला अशें पुलीस सांगतात। ओडणेन गळो ओंदून तिका मारली हें तो उलोवन दाखयता।
We have identified the lady. Her name is Vijay Lakshmi, daughter of Ravi Chauhan. She is aged about 20 years and she was staying at Kasauli, Prayalwado, for the last 4-5 months.
Is the accused arrested?
Yeah, we have arrested the accused yesterday. He is from Calcutta, but he was staying here for the last 10-12 years in Kasauli at Falwado. Ashish Amal Adhikari, and he's married and he's got a kid which is 2 and a half years old. And he was working on this what you call fishing boat.
What is the reason
behind the murder? What is the
reason behind the murder? Motive is sudden provocation.
The girl was known to the accused?
Yes, the girl was known to the boy.
And any further investigation is going on?
Now today we have sent them for remand. So they are in the court now. Let's see, further investigation is in progress.
बायण दर्यावेर फ्लायबोर्डिंगाची प्लास्टिक जाली। फ्लायबोर्डिंग भारतांत हाडपी गोंय पयलें राज्य। कांदोळेच्या एक्वेटिक स्पोर्ट्स कंपनीन हो नवो वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स हाडला। पर्यटकांक फ्लायबोर्डिंग घोस्ताक वतलें अशें एक्वेटिक स्पोर्ट्साक दिसता।
Common man can practice flyball within, I think, 20 or 30 minutes. But the one who have water sport background, maybe can start within 5 minutes at the first time. This product is come from Marseille in France. And the inventor of the product is a World Championship of Jet Ski and European Championship 7 times.
We want to bring this sport to Goa so that we can offer it to tourists in a big way. Now what you saw is demonstration on a single basis, but you can imagine if there are 3 or 4 or 5 people doing it together. It is very beautiful. If you do a formation, if you do it in formation, it's really very beautiful and very enjoyable. Though it's a little challenging. We'll have to have people who are a little familiar with swimming, who are familiar with jet ski. But yes, we are looking forward to bring it to Goa as a new sporting activity for guests.
What is the cost of it?
Cost of it, I cannot give you offhand, but it's not very expensive. The jet ski, what we need is a powerful jet ski of 300, but this equipment is not very expensive.
We have to study what are the impacts of it when we take into consideration the security and safety of the tourists, and whether it would be very safe, secured for a tourist to board on that flyboard and then do the activities. After evaluating that, we will be thinking of registering it under the Goa Tourist Trade Act, and then accordingly permissions can be granted. And this also forms a part of the water sports policy.
पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी।
There are 18 different competitions. सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी जवळजवळ 90% of the children have participated in the program. There are 18 different contests like face painting, clay modeling, rangoli, मेहंदी, etc. So दर वर्सा आम्ही ऑर्गनाइज करतात चिल्ड्रन्स डे दिसा, आणि चिल्ड्रन्स डे हॅपन टू बी हॉलिडे and it is organized on the last day or somewhere whichever available day or in the month of November itself.
खरं गेल्यार गेल्ली काही वर्सां मडगांव फ्रंट दिंडेच्या निमित्तान वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांत जाणी काम केलां, अशा क्षेत्रांतल्या लोकांचो हांगा सत्कार घडोवन हाडटा। म्हाका एक बरी प्रथा मडगांव फ्रंटान चालू केल्ली आसा आनी ती तांणी चालू दवरल्या, आनी हाज्याचे मुखार बरे कार्यक्रम तांच्या हातांतल्यान जावचे अशें मागता।
तेन्ना कवितेची मजा घेवपाक जाय, आनंद घेवपाक जाय, विचार करपाक जाय, बारीकसाण घेवपाक जाय.
ह्या कविता संग्रहाचं नाव देण्यामागचा एक माझा उद्देश आहे की आतापर्यंतच्या माझ्या जीवनामध्ये ज्या ज्या घडामोडी झालेल्या आहेत ते मी कोणाशी व्यक्त करणार. मग मी माझ्या मनाशी ठरवलं की ते मी एक कविता लिहून जे जे रस्ता चालत जात असताना जे जे माझ्या पायाखाली काटे रुतत गेले त्याप्रमाणे मी कविता लिहित गेलो.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान ह्या खबरांचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.